What's up guys, I hope you are doing very well. उम्मीद चाहता हूँ आप ठीक होंगे. Today I introduce for one is very delicious recipe. It is Thai salad. And okay, I can show you for ingredients. Salad tomato, jaggery, peanuts, lime, and red chili, dry red chili, and fresh chili, red chili, and garlic. And this is for green beans and green papaya and carrot. And also I use for sauce, this is orange, and this is for fish sauce and Ajino Moto. Now I can start for a recipe how to make papaya salad. I can show you. First of all, I need for lime, little bit, and I can cut. And also I use for 2 and 3 garlic, and I don't like for spicy. I use for a little bit red chili, fresh and dry chili one. Use for lemon juice. Jaggery a little bit. The taste is equal to not sweet and sour. And also use green beans. Little smash and not be hard, otherwise they can all mix it. And use for tomato. I use for fish sauce. Mix it. And use for papaya salad. And carrot. And peanuts. And also use little bit Ajino Moto. This one is taste is very good. And also use for orange juice. I'm use orange juice, but Thai people not use orange. It's too much spicy. But I like is orange for taste is very good. Okay, papaya salad is done. I can show you for look at it. This is mix it, and I can show you later for dish out. Guys, look at it. This one is not spicy, but I'm not handle it for spice. And this one is for only. This is for garnish for peanuts. This is my papaya salad. And also we not use for dry shrimp. It's a real recipe. Is also have used for dry shrimp, and also for crab. And I don't like crab and dry shrimp, but I love little bit change for recipes. Orange, I can mix in the orange and lime, and also for use for little chili. But I don't like for too much spice, but I love it medium spice. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and you like it, my videos, please you can share with families and friends, and please like and subscribe, and any question you can send me for comments, for I can give you answer. Thank you so much. Bye bye.